Meet the boss. Africa isn't one big country, it's 54, each with its own story. But if you want the economic heavyweight, look at South Africa. It's the continent's anchor, driving growth and jobs across borders. South Africa's influence is massive. When it thrives, so do its neighbors. What makes it the boss? A mix of history, resources, and world-class systems. It's home to Africa's oldest stock exchange, global banks, and companies with international reach. The economy is complex and modern, far beyond just mining. Understanding South Africa's economy is about understanding the hopes and challenges of an entire continent. It's a story of potential, problems, and resilience. Where is South Africa? Go to the southern tip of Africa. When you hit ocean, you're there. With coastlines on both the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, it's a strategic trade hub. Over 60 million people live here, making it one of the world's most diverse nations. Black, white, colored, Indian, and immigrants from across the globe. This is the Rainbow Nation. Diversity is its strength, fueling creativity, cuisine, and innovation. But it's also a challenge, with a legacy of division and inequality from apartheid. The country is still working to ensure the rainbow includes everyone. Building a shared future is tough, but essential for a nation leading a continent. South Africa's power and influence are concentrated in 4 dynamic cities, each with its own unique character and contribution to the nation's story. Johannesburg is the financial engine, home to the continent's biggest stock exchange and major corporations. It's a city that never sleeps, where deals are made, fortunes are built, and innovation thrives. The energy here is palpable, with bustling streets, high-rise offices, and a relentless drive for success. Pretoria, just a short drive away, is the administrative capital. Here, government decisions are made, international diplomacy unfolds, and the country's future is shaped. The city's stately buildings and embassies reflect its role as the seat of power and policy. Cape Town, with its breathtaking scenery, is the legislative capital and a magnet for tourism, technology, and creativity. It's where new ideas are born, where art and culture flourish, and where the city's natural beauty inspires innovation and entrepreneurship. Durban, on the warm East Coast, is the country's busiest port and a manufacturing powerhouse. Its harbor is a gateway for trade, connecting South Africa to global markets, while its factories and industries keep the economy moving. Each city plays a distinct role. Joburg is the business brain, Pretoria the administrative head, Cape Town the creative soul, and Durban the hard-working hands. Together they form the backbone of South Africa's urban landscape. Collaboration between these cities is key. Their combined strengths create a powerful synergy, driving innovation, economic growth, and social progress across the nation. Highways, airports, and shipping routes link these urban centers, connecting South Africa to the world and to each other. This network enables the free flow of people, goods, and ideas. The energy of these cities is visible in their busy streets, ongoing construction, and constant urban development. Their combined momentum fuels the country's growth and transformation. From high-powered boardrooms to vibrant beaches, from creative studios to industrial zones, this is where the magic and the money truly happens. South Africa's urban centers are the engines of its economy, constantly evolving and adapting to new challenges and opportunities. These cities are not just vital to South Africa, they're essential to its leadership and influence across the African continent, shaping the future for generations to come. South Africa's economy isn't just about gold and diamonds anymore. It's Africa's largest, thanks to its diversity. The country balances mining, manufacturing, agriculture, services, and finance. This mix makes it resilient. If one sector struggles, others keep things moving. South Africa is the continent's most industrialized and technologically advanced nation. It builds cars, exports wine, and runs banks that operate across Africa. The economy is a blend of old and new, extraction and innovation. This balanced profile is why it leads Africa. Its future depends on managing challenges and building on this foundation. Let's break down the main sectors that keep South Africa's economy moving forward. Each one plays a unique role, and together, they form the backbone of the nation's prosperity. Services are the giant here. Think banking, retail, communications, and real estate. These industries drive most of the economy, providing jobs, innovation, and essential services to millions. From bustling shopping malls to high-rise office towers, the service sector is everywhere, shaping daily life and business. South Africa's banks are among the strongest in Africa, known for their stability and innovation. They connect people and businesses, making investments possible and fueling growth across the country. Manufacturing is next. Cars, food processing and steel are major exports. South African factories produce vehicles for the world, process food for local and global markets, and turn raw materials into products that power other industries. Mining still matters, a legacy sector that continues to bring in foreign cash. Platinum, manganese, gold, and diamonds are just some of the treasures pulled from the earth, supporting jobs and communities. Agriculture feeds the nation and exports fruit, wine, and sugar worldwide. South Africa's farms and vineyards are renowned for their quality, supplying both local tables and international markets with fresh produce and award-winning wines. Tourism is a major job creator, drawing millions to its wildlife, cities, and landscapes. From safaris in Kruger to vibrant city life in Cape Town, tourism showcases South Africa's natural beauty and cultural richness. Each sector supports the others, creating a dynamic, interconnected economy. When one thrives, it lifts the rest, building resilience and opportunity for all. This diversity is South Africa's strength. It allows the country to adapt, innovate, and weather global changes while offering opportunities to people from all walks of life. It's not just about what's in the ground, it's about what's built, sold, and experienced. Every sector, from construction to hospitality, adds a vital piece to the puzzle. The economy is a machine with many moving parts, each one essential to keeping the whole system running smoothly and efficiently. That's what keeps South Africa at the top, a nation powered by its people, its industries, and its endless drive to grow and succeed. South Africa stands as a key global player, actively engaging in trade with some of the world's largest economies, including China, Germany, the United States, and Japan. Its ports bustle with activity as goods flow in and out, connecting the country to distant markets and forging vital economic relationships. The nation exports a diverse range of products, minerals, cars, wine, and fresh fruit, demonstrating that it's far more than just a supplier of raw resources. South Africa's manufacturing and agricultural sectors are robust, producing goods that are in demand across the globe. At the same time, South Africa imports essential items like oil, advanced machinery, and electronics, products it cannot produce in sufficient quantities domestically. These imports fuel its industries, support daily life, and keep the economy running smoothly. Underpinning all this trade is South Africa's advanced infrastructure. Its extensive network of roads, railways, and world-class ports makes it the main trade gateway for the African continent, efficiently moving goods within its borders and beyond. The port of Durban in particular is the busiest in sub-Saharan Africa. It handles millions of tons of cargo each year, serving not just South Africa, but the entire region, and acting as a lifeline for neighboring countries. South Africa's role as a logistical hub is absolutely vital for its neighbors. Goods from landlocked countries pass through its borders, relying on its efficient transport systems to reach international markets. These global connections also attract foreign investment and create new opportunities for businesses and workers. International companies set up offices, and local entrepreneurs benefit from access to global markets. The country's ongoing success is closely tied to its ability to trade and connect with the world. Every container, every shipment, and every deal strengthens its position on the global stage. South Africa isn't just trading for itself. It's the entry and exit point for goods moving throughout Southern Africa, making it a crucial link in regional supply chains. That's why South Africa's economy matters far beyond its own borders. Its global connections shape the prosperity of an entire region, making it a true powerhouse in Africa and an essential player in the world economy. South Africa faces big challenges. Unemployment is high, especially among youth. fueling poverty and frustration. Inequality remains stark, often along old racial lines. The energy crisis, frequent blackouts, hurts business and daily life. Fixing electricity, improving education, and supporting small businesses are urgent priorities. The country must unlock its potential to create jobs and growth. A strong South Africa benefits all of Africa, anchoring regional stability and opportunity. Its journey from a divided past to an inclusive future is ongoing. Overcoming these hurdles would be a victory for the continent. South Africa's story is one of hope, struggle, and resilience. The road is tough, but the destination matters for millions.